Hello everyone, and Merry Christmas to those who celebrate. Today I am doing my What I Got for Christmas video, featuring some luxury as well as non-luxury gifts as well. Now, gifts are not at all what this is about. To me, being able to be around my family all day, being able to see friends, being able to just celebrate this time of year is really what's important. But this is a luxury YouTube channel that is focused on luxury fashion, luxury travel, luxury shopping, life's luxuries in general. And so because of that, that's why I'm sharing all of these items today, and I recognize that I'm extremely blessed and fortunate to have them. So starting out, I do have some new things that I am wearing that I got for Christmas. This vest is a Calvin Klein vest. It is in a wonderful metallic green color. Wearing all black is sort of a winter staple for me, but I do love bringing in touches of green as well, and my mom knows that, and so she found this vest and picked it out, and thankfully it fit perfectly. One of the other black items that I got is something that is on my personal Christmas list, and that was this YSL Cassandra hat. Now, I recognize the fact that this is a normal hat, that it just has a luxury price tag associated with it because of the YSL that's on the front. I recognize that, I accept it, and my husband was willing to pay for it, and so this was one of the items that he got me for Christmas. Also, items that I am wearing that I got for Christmas. One of the other things from my parents this year was this David Yurman crossover ring. This was actually an item that was on my gift guide. My mom saw that it was on my gift guide, and I mentioned that I wanted it, and so she got it for me. And then one of the other things that my husband got me is this pair of Edge of Ember earrings. This is a pair of earrings that Meghan Markle has, and I have absolutely loved wearing these today. They are so light, so comfortable, and I haven't even felt like I've had earrings in all day. And as someone with elongated ear holes who has to be really, really careful about the weight of earrings that I wear, this has been so great for me this Christmas. Now, from the brands that I've already mentioned, there are another couple of items that I got as well. My husband did not just get me my YSL hat, but he got me the YSL female buckle belt, and I love this belt because of the enamel. This belt was all over the runway for fall/winter 2023. I tried it on at our VIP appointment, and it was just absolutely amazing. I loved it, didn't get it at the time, and really wish that I had. So I'm super excited to have this belt now. My father-in-law also always gives me a piece of David Yurman for Christmas. That is just tradition. And this year, David Yurman has changed their packaging. I'm not sure if it's just for the holidays or if it's a permanent change, but they come in these beautiful brown boxes this Christmas. Is the infinity pendant necklace with the diamond chips in the middle there. If you have watched my David Yurman collection video, you'll notice that I do have a couple of other small silver pendants similar to this, but this one is actually a little bit smaller than the other two. So it's a very interesting size. And it also is, because it's filled in with the center with those diamond chips, is a little bit more solid looking than the other two pieces. So very interesting to add into my collection. Now let's talk about some of the contemporary luxury brands that I got this Christmas. One of the things that I got is this Aspinall of London bee keychain. Now, Aspinall of London actually does have several hives of honeybees as part of their effort for conservation. So the bee is a big symbol for them. And then my initials are just here on the back. But I absolutely love this keychain. It's what I'm going to have on my car keys now. And then I also added this bag. Now, I had reviewed this bag earlier this year, and I just couldn't decide if I wanted this color or not. Sent it back, and about 2 weeks after I sent it back, I realized that I really, really regretted that decision. So it went onto my wish list and got fulfilled this Christmas. I'm very excited to have added this bag, as it is a bag that I've definitely missed. And now that I have it, once we get around to the end of next year, I will be doing a review talking about how the quality of the bag holds up over the year. But I'm super excited to have this bag. It feels really nice. I've carried it today as my Christmas Day bag, and I'm going to be carrying it a lot in this coming year, I have a feeling. Now, also in the land of contemporary luxury, I did get something from Strathbury, and that is their cashmere fingerless gloves. Now, I absolutely love fingerless gloves, and these are so soft and they feel so good on. So I was really excited to get these to wear this winter when I don't necessarily need to have my fingers covered so that I can access my phone, but do want to keep the rest of my hands warm. Now, this next item is from a brand that I have worked with, but these were not gifted to me from the brand. These were just items that my family got because they know that I actually do really wear this brand and enjoy it. And that is the Rome earrings from Ana Luisa. They have little sort of crystal chips down at the bottom, but I just thought these were a really pretty lightweight dangle gold earring. Now, one of the other brands that I've talked about on this channel that I really love is Sunski sunglasses, and my cousins also got me this pair. These are the Kivas, but in the tortoise shell. I absolutely love wearing the Kivas when I'm out on the beach, and I have a brown pair, but I really love this tortoise shell color, and so I'm very excited to get to wear these around because they are so light, so comfortable, and they are perfect for outdoor whenever you're doing anything active because they're very durable, but they're also at a price point where if something happens to them, I'm not going to cry the way that I would with some of my really expensive sunglasses. And then as far as luxury foods go, my brother-in-law knows what some of my favorites are, and that is Garrett's popcorn caramel popcorn and Godiva hot cocoa. I've had both of these on gift guides in the past. They are fantastic. This is the only type of cocoa that I drink, both the milk and the dark. And Garrett's popcorn, like, really just can't be beat. So super excited to have this as well for some snacking as we finish up this year and move into the next. And then the main gift from my husband this year, we have several trips that we have planned that are coming up. Off the top of my head, I'm thinking of 4 or 5 right now, and several of those are going to be plane trips. And so he got me a Rimowa suitcase. This is the essential cabin size, so the carry-on size in the matte gray. I always have my Demier Azur Neverfull GM that I travel with, and that will go perfectly with this gray suitcase. So I am super, super excited to be having this, as my carry-on suitcase has become very sad in the past few years. It's started to look really nasty. It's starting to just sort of get very sticky, and it was time to go. So upgrading to a Rimowa, I was so thrilled about. Now, some of the other really neat gifts that I've gotten this Christmas, this was something that was also from my father-in-law. This is a bowl that he made out of a burl tree and is just this really, really beautiful wooden bowl, and the fact that he made it and gave it to me really means a lot. And so I was really excited to get this to put into our home. My husband and I had both been seeing it on the counter over the past couple of weeks at his house and really loved it, and so I was really thrilled when it ended up in my Christmas bag this year. Another just incredibly sweet gift came from Meredith from the channel Living Lux with Meredith. I'll link her channel down below, but she sent me an Australia themed Christmas gift. So the first thing that was in there was this adorable little koala with this Santa hat. He has been sitting on my desk for the past few weeks. And then she also sent me this incredibly soft pair of pajamas with Australian animals all over it. I am a very big animal lover. When I was younger, I wanted to be a vet until my veterinarian said, "You're never gonna be big enough to pull a calf, pick something else." And so I did. But having this little koala has just been super fun this Christmas. And the pajamas that she got me, I'm not able to show right now because they're currently in the wash because I have already worn them several times and have really very much enjoyed them. So thank you very much to Meredith for sending me this little Australia gift that has just made me smile so much over the past couple weeks. Now, one of the other things that I thought was just extremely thoughtful and extremely creative on behalf of my dad that he got me this Christmas is that when I was younger, my parents had gotten me a Game Boy Advance SP when it first came out, and they actually gave it to me before Christmas so that I could get used to playing it and be good at it, so that when I went at Christmas with my cousins, I would actually be adequate at playing with the games. And I sold it years ago because I just wasn't playing it. And in the past couple of years, I've really kind of regretted that because they're games games that I wish that I could go back and play from then. And so my dad tracked down a Game Boy that was the same color as mine. Mine was in the red color, and got me several games to go with it. He got me Harry Potter games because I'm a big Harry Potter fan. He got me the Lion King game that I'd had. And so it was just really exciting to get this and to have this, just because like, it's just this part of my childhood that getting it back is really, really special, and I'm really excited to have this. And while that came very close to being the top gift that I got this year, this one really took the cake on behalf of my brother-in-law. He knows how big of a Friends fan I am, and so he did something really, really incredible, and I'm gonna have to just put a picture of it up here on the screen because there's no way that it's gonna fit. But he got me a Friends poster that was actually signed by all of the cast, came with a certificate of authenticity, and so having this, particularly since Matthew Perry tragically passed away earlier this year, was just really, really special. And the fact like he took the thought of it, hunted it down, and just really, really meant a lot to me. And it's something that I'm very excited to have. We have a whole media room in the downstairs floor of our house with all sorts of different posters from comedians that we've been to, concerts that we've been to, from various movies, various things. Like my husband has a whole collection of Lord of the Rings swords on the wall. I have a Slytherin staff on the wall. And so to add this that I really, really love and it means a lot to me, particularly because he put the thought into it to go hunting for me, really, really means a lot. And this one definitely took the cake as favorite Christmas gift this year. So with that, I hope that you guys have had a wonderful time celebrating. I would love to know what some of your favorite Christmas gifts are down in the comments below. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. Bye.